Remember the Bellows chair at the Cottage? So the Bellows chair has kind of been haunting me. We made one at the Cottage a couple years ago out of an old tire and a foot pump. It was good for a few laughs. Whoa. Except that it got broken basically right about first use. But I was kind of trying to think, could I do it better? It's like a bag in a bag kind of lung design. If you've ever tried to pull a bucket from a bucket, you know it's almost impossible. There's so much friction. Drill a hole in here. It goes down through my gold panning pan and out the side. And then you can get your feet on this when you want to do it.
The design for the lung was really simple. We just drilled a hole through the bottom of the bucket, then through the gold pan, attached the pan to the bucket, along with the pipe attachments for these airways.
And you connect the two buckets with a plastic bag.
We cut a hole in the bag to attach to the buckets, cut it to size.
The bag is going to be the lung that sucks air and blows it. So I'm just taping the bag on here now, see if it works, and then I'm gonna go over it again if it does.
This is basically just how we're gonna get the air out of the lung into the fire. We're gonna drill a little hole in this bottom piece, put a hose on it, let it shoot out into the fire.
So we're pretty much ready to test it out.
Sounds like me this morning when I woke up.
This goes on top. That worked. Kevin was trying to get the fire going caveman style, blowing it like a schmuck.
Blow no more, big brother. Junior comes down with his goofy rig. There we go. The lung works. As crazy as it looks, the Bellows works.
I'd say the Bellows chair is 3-in-1. It's a vessel for carrying around your beverages. It's a chair, and it's also a bellows for stoking the fire. If you ride this thing, your fire is gonna rock. Do you wanna go for a ride?
You're sitting around the fire and one guy starts doing this. Don't nobody want to go on that ride. It's so bizarre looking around the fire.
It's a good little workout, actually. It is great on your legs as an exercise. If you can build your quads while you're sitting around the campfire drinking beer, all the better.